What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another Chicago Lane Changers episode, you beautiful mofos. You guys, I am back, and I am so happy to say that I'm back and I'm picking up this camera. Before the video starts, just want to say a late happy birthday to my dog, Chris. He is one of my subscribers. Wanted the video to go up on his birthday. Unfortunately, I think I'm a day late, but happy late birthday, brother. Hope you enjoy it. This is your birthday gift. If you're unhappy, fuck you. No, I'm just playing. I'm just fucking with you, Chris. Happy birthday, my man. Hopefully many more to come for you. And yeah, man, hope you enjoy your birthday, you sick son of a bitch. But you guys, we are going to be installing one, not all three, unfortunately, but we will be starting off with the twin tube strut tower, and we are going to install it on the SS. This is going to be officially the first mod to my car other than the GM performance intake right here. So I'm actually really fucking excited. So yeah, it's actually pretty awkward because I did record yesterday, but I didn't have the bolts. I'm such an idiot. So we have to do this thing all over again, which isn't a big deal. Yeah, man. Welcome back. All right, you beautiful people. We are going to have to take off the 3 screws. You got 3 on this side, 3 on that side, 3 bolts, 13 millimeters, and then we will be putting the washers. Then once I take it out, I'll show you guys what the fuck I did. So all you really need to do is just get them a little weak, and then you can take it out with your hand. It's not that hard. Come on, you son of a bitch. We got it, boys. We got them. So they're all loose now. Now we take them out with our hands. Come on, man. This is the CLC garage. Alex, Silver Fox G37 has been here. You know what that means? We use our hands, boy. We get down nice and dirty. You know what I mean, boy? Shout out to my dog, Silver Fox G37. You already know it's an acid tree. Oh my god, I almost fucking dropped the bolt. Jesus Christ. Alright, so we take out the 3 bolts right here. They look like this. The Canon 90D's autofocus system is absolutely tremendous. Oh, look at that autofocus. Those are out. Now we take out the other 3. Doesn't want to get out for some reason. Oh shit. Alright guys, so listen. If you ever get rid of your strut tower, keep these because you are going to need them. Because the other ones will look flush in your engine bay. The other ones, if you had no strut bar and you use the longer bolts, they're gonna look ugly. So keep these. Always keep OEM parts just in case. Trust me. If you've been here long enough, you know that I fuck up a lot. Oh, I thought I had to fart. Alright, so you're gonna get these now. These are so you're gonna get these spacers right here. These go under the strut tower. So you put these under, you put the strut tower over, then you put the bolts in. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you don't get it, fuck you. Oh yeah, come to Papa, baby. Oh shit. I mean, honestly, this looks really freaking good. Here, I'll pick up the camera and show you guys how it looks as an example. That actually looks really sick. Do you guys like this camera, by the way? It's pretty zoomed out, and I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, if you guys don't like it, fuck you. I spent like over $1,000 on this fucking camera. My whole setup in general is around $2,500, which is fucking ridiculous. But, ladies and gentlemen, that's how it does. Oh, man, that's gonna look so sick. Now, here's the thing. Shout out to my dog, Hot One Ali, but the best One Ali YouTuber in YouTube. He actually told me it doesn't do that much of a difference, but then again, I've had one on my G37 from a long time ago, and I thought it made a difference, but again, he's a One Ali guru. If Hot One Ali says it's not good, it's not good. Shout out to my dog, Hot One Ali. Everybody go give him a follow. He's a dog, man. Let's go back to installing. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put these spacers under right here. We're gonna put another spacer here. Alright guys, so the bolts you guys actually want, alright, let's just say God forbid they don't give you the bolt. The one bolts you want to get is the flanged M8 1.25 by 30 millimeter hex bolts. Get those, you'll be okay. That's if they don't send it to you. They will, but buy, like, because it's me. I fuck up. Like I say, I fuck up. I didn't get the bolts because they're assholes. I'm just playing. Shout out to BMR Suspension, man. Alright, so what we do now, oh yes, that fits beautifully. Yes, sir. Alright, so we're gonna hand tighten these first. Why is my hand sticky? Shit. Alright, so that one's in. Now you want to get the other washer, because you don't want these to fall, because you kind of need these. So, alright, so I would honestly go for a different color just because the gold doesn't really match with anything else. I'm gonna keep these on temporarily until I find different colors, because this was the only color I could find. I believe they do actually send you like these gold looking copper color type of things. So regardless of the fact, they don't look bad. They don't look bad. But I feel like I need to get silver. I think they will, or something that kind of color matches my engine bay. I feel like that would look pretty cool. So yeah, that's how it looks. So you just put that spacer under, and you are good, man. Just put that spacer, put the bolt, and you're good, man. You just gotta hand tighten that shit. So now we're gonna go on the other side. Bring that under. Hand tightens perfectly fine, guys. Welcome to Chicago Lane Changers. I really do miss you guys, in all seriousness. So I really, really do miss you. Don't give me problems. We're just doing okay. Yeah, just spin in there. Come on. What is this bastardized acid tree? Oh my goodness. This is an abomination. Come on, yeah, spin in, you fucking cock, man. Yeah, get in there, you son of a bitch. Oh yeah, now you want to get in, you piece of shit. Yeah, get in there. Yeah. Oh, now you want to tighten up then, huh? Oh shit, look who's tightened up right now. Yeah, you're gonna get blicked up right now, boy. Yeah, that's tight.
Get that big ass.
Yes, sir. This shit's huge, man. Alright, guys, so
That would piss me.
I love this camera, yeah, but it's just too damn big. Alright, so we obviously got my dog Silver Fox in here. Shout out to Andreas.
What's going on?
Sajo.
Welcome back to
Welcome back to the Fox Den. Hugo and King Guerrero, I think. What's up, man? You already know, bro. We on this shit. You said, what's up, Moogie's Vlog? You already know. Alright, guys, so that is the install of... I'm sorry that I just hit you. You guys, that is the install of my beautiful BMR strut tower right here. This is the twin tube to be exact. So if you guys want this, I definitely recommend it. Again, it might not make that big of a difference, but it does dress up the engine bay pretty nice. I mean, it just being there just looks really cool. I do obviously know if you do go for a supercharger, you obviously have to remove this because that's not much room to work with right here. But holy shit, that's on there. But you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you'll be notified. Be a part of CLC Nation. You already know, Camaro power, baby. I know y'all miss that. You like that shit. But you guys, I love you guys. I'm back, motherfuckers. I'm back and I'm better. So stay tuned for the next vlog. Alright? I love you.